Hello everyone, I am here with new topic. Our topic is addition reaction. Here we see stereochemistry of some nucleophilic addition reaction. So let us start. Here is given a reaction in which a nucleophile attack at carbon center and this bond is shifted in oxygen and this will form. This is our product. Uh, and there is whole mechanism of this reaction. Next we see some points of nucleophilic addition reaction. In this two structures are formed like R and S 50% 50-50%. So that mixture called racemic mixture, because mixture are cis or trans, we have two product because of chiral center. So here cyanide Cn minus as a nucleophile attack at carbon center and this bond shifted in oxygen and we found an intermediate. And next is O negative accept an hydrogen or an proton and form this one. This is our desired product. This is distereomeric form and there is formation of distereomer because there is two carbon center. Next we see another point, stereochemistry for nucleophilic addition reaction is as carbonyl carbon or sp2 hybridized or planar. Nucleophile can attack equally from both side, upside or downside. If after addition of nucleophilic we have a single chiral carbon, then pair of enantiomer are formed in equal amount, then we get racemic mixture. If a substance already contain carbon, that we get a distereomer. Next topic is electrophilic stereochemical aspects. In this electrophile attack and we get our product, and in this we also see stereochemistry of that reactant or product. So here is all configuration and conformation. So there is Sohorst and this one is Fischer. Next we see some points of electrophilic stereochemical aspects. In this first point is anti or trans addition of bromine gives pair of enantiomer, it forms racemic mixture. When we get trans plus trans we get mesomeric. When trans add with cis we get racemic mixture. Here is given some points when we get which type of product. When alkene is cis or addition product, addition reactant is cis, we get product mesomeric. When alkene is cis or syn and addition reactant is trans, that time we get racemic mixture. When alkene is trans or anti and addition reactant is trans, that time we get mesomeric mixture. And when alkene is trans and addition reactant is cis, that time we get racemic mixture. During electrophilic addition or halogens to alkene, we use non-polar salt like CCl4, benzene or toluene. Next we see another topic which is free radical addition reaction. Addition of HBr hydrogen bromide to alkene in the presence of peroxide. In free radical addition reaction, addition of HBr is taken place with alkene in the presence of peroxide. Here we see the reaction and formation of alkyl bromide. For non-symmetrical alkene, we use anti-Markovnikov rule. Uh, uh, Anti-Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule is two type. There is Markovnikov rule and second one is anti-Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule is negative charge or nucleophile attached at that carbon where less number of hydrogen is present called Markovnikov, and anti-Markovnikov is negative charge attached at that carbon where more number of hydrogen atom present. So these are the Markovnikov and anti-Markovnikov rule. There is given an example of Markovnikov rule. So here Cl minus and H plus. Cl minus has a nucleophile attack at that carbon center and form two type of product. This one is major and this one is minor. This reaction works on anti-Markovnikov rule. Free radical reaction works on anti-Markovnikov rule. In this, unsymmetrical alkenes are used. This is unsymmetrical alkene. In this, HBr react with this, and in the presence of a hydrogen peroxide, we get our product. And this is whole mechanism of the formation of our product. There is given some another example of free radical reaction where free radical reaction taken place or where not. So only with alkyl bromide free radical reaction is taken place. Next we see another topic which is regioselectivity. There is given a reaction of regioselectivity. In this we also get two type of product. First one is major and second one is minor. Minor product is negligible and there is completely regioselectivity because of 3-degree carbocation is formed. There is 3-degree carbocation is formed or structural isomer is also formed. When the reaction proceeds between two or more than two product and product are constitutional isomer and one isomer dominate, then such reaction called regioselectivity. Degree of regioselectivity. First one is moderately regioselectivity. In this two product form having very less differences in both, and second one is highly regioselectivity. In this also two product form but having huge differences, and third one is completely regioselectivity. In this only one product form. There is given mechanism according to Markovnikov rule of electrophilic addition reaction. So there is some reactions in the there is 3-degree carbocation form. So 3-degree is more stable than 1-degree carbocation, and that one is called moderately regioselectivity. So that due to stability of 3rd-degree carbon is much more stable than 1-degree, and for very fast amount of product and its concentration would be very very high. Next, this is formed. So this one is very very highly regioselective reaction and their concentration is dominated with another one. Next we see another example of highly regioselectivity. So this one is this is 2nd-degree carbocation formation and this is 3rd-degree carbocation formation. So here our topic is completed. For more updates please like, subscribe and share my channel.